I have to sing love songs, you know. I have to sing love songs. You know what I mean? But the only thing I like sing love songs, I like sing them little.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is workout morning and I'm going for my morning routine workout. Alright, so I'm going to start my workout and I'm going to take you guys along with me. Here we go.
Hello, baby, hello. Haven't seen your face for a while. Have you quit doing time for me? Or are you just the same spoiled child? Hello, I said hello. Is this the only place you thought to go? Am I the only man you ever had? Or am I just the last surviving friend that you know? Harmony and me were pretty good company, looking for an island in our own upon the sea. Harmony, gee, I really love you and I wanna love you forever, and dream of that never, never, never leaving harmony. Hello, baby, hello. Open up your heart and let your feelings flow. You're not unlucky knowing me, keeping up the speed real slow. In any case, I set my own pace by stealing the show. Say hello, hello. Harmony and me were pretty good company, looking for an island in our own upon the sea. Harmony, gee, I really love you and I wanna love you forever, and dream of that never, ever, ever leaving harmony, never leaving harmony.
Naked and afraid, right baby? I know. Okay, I survived for 21 days in the woods. Fry up some lizard, find something in the water. Fry up. Could you guys survive 21 days in the woods? Naked and afraid. I don't know about the naked part. I don't know about the naked part, yeah. Afraid part, yes. The naked thing, no. I want to keep on the clothes. Hi guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to give me a like and thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see more vlogs. See you in the next vlog. Bye.